This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a GMC Terrain headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental burns while working. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. You'll find two 10mm retaining bolts located on the top of the headlight housing. Use your ratchet and socket to carefully loosen and remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel snug, but a steady pull will release it from its clips, giving you access to the bulb. With the assembly out, it's time to change the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the housing. Carefully remove the old bulb. Insert your new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector. Now, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it seats properly. Reinstall the two 10mm retaining bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight. Check both the low and high beams to confirm everything is working perfectly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.